got friendly with the guys over at Tackform. Might make this video that much better. I've always wanted to film driving videos from this angle, but I've never had the right setup to do it. Kind of had this idea in my head for a while, and then I came across this company that sold the mount to make this angle happen. So I'm really excited about this package. They sent me a suction cup mount too, all the ball head mounting systems. This right here is a big deal. So this mount will clamp on to the headrest, and then I can get the GoPro where we need it to go. So let me mock this up for you. Step one, this is all like quickly mount together. Headrest post, this clamps on, heads this way. Have an extension, slide the bolt through the back side, thread the nut on. This is sturdy, it's heavy. Then to mount a camera, need this piece to mount a camera. Here's our end. Then from there, we need the GoPro attachment. This is cool. So you see tools like this, but this is like hardcore. Like thread for the bottom for any classic tripod GoPro mount, but this is the Tackform one. And you know, this tightens here, everything's metal about this, nothing flexes like all the GoPro stuff, but this is a wrench that they have, and it goes on the end right here. See that? You can just wail on this and tighten it. GoPro mount to camera mount. I like how this is set up. Let's go see what this looks like in the car. So I could either take this all the way apart with the 4 Allen, or take the headrest all the way off, which is easier to do. It's on there. First click. So that's gonna take me forever because the seat is in the way, so I'm gonna put this back, pick this up. Now I can get to the screws easier. Alright, solid as a rock. Clip it in. Now it's just a matter of orientating it for a good angle. I would like to have it right over my shoulder, kind of like this. That's about eye level. Then you can see right over my shoulder. Hopefully you can see a little bit of my feet. Let's throw the GoPro up here. Let's see what we're working with. This is already awesome. This is wide on the GoPro. Let's see what it looks like from this angle. First time. Exhaust valve. The whole goal of this angle is just to make you feel like you're here with me. I want to do more driving. The older I get, the more I'm enjoying going and driving. The more I do that, the more opportunities will arise to go do more fun driving. So I really want to figure out like a mount setup that will actually be fun to watch. This is linear, which this is my favorite GoPro mode because it doesn't warp anything and it just looks like real life. So I feel like this potentially could be my favorite angle yet. But I won't know until I watch the footage back, so we'll cruise around. Pulling up to Canyon Lake. Click the exhaust on loud mode for everybody. This will be my last rip in the RS at Canyon Lake. Bittersweet. Turn my traction control off. This is a cool view because you can see kind of out my vision literally, and then both mirrors. It looks like you can see out of that one okay, this one not so much because it's positioned for me, but kind of funny. Here's a good opportunity. Almost to the fun part. Here we go. out. So you're not gonna hear me push the car too hard. This car is in perfect condition and I want to pass it off that way to the new owner, whoever that may be. But I do want to have my fun in it. Just flowing. link in the description to this mount if you want to buy one for yourself. I want to know, what do you think about it from a viewer aspect? Should we keep using it? Something also to keep in mind is that a lot of the newer seats and aftermarket seats, they don't actually have headrests that have posts, so they're like all one piece. So that limits back to mounting the GoPro on the hat and such for the POV, which isn't ideal. It kind of gets in the way of like my vision like this, and I'm like constantly looking like one side or the other. So I want to know, what do you guys use? If you have anything better, let me know. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. If you want to check out a video of how the all-wheel drive system works on the RS after the drive today, you can check it out right here.